This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the rear aircraft LED or light indicator on this drone. So in the beginning, enter the camera view of the FIMI Mini app. Now launch settings, select the first category that you'll see here, that is drone, or drone's preferences rather. Now look for the aircraft indicator toggle, and by disabling a toggle, you're going to switch off the, LED indicator, or if you would like for it to, be, or to be switched on, simply toggle on this option here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.